Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a portfolio in the Yahoo Finance app. First, open the Yahoo Finance application on your mobile device. Look for the Portfolios tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen, and tap it. From there, you will see an option to Create New Portfolio. This is your starting point for organizing and tracking your investments effectively. It takes just a few moments to set up your personalized investment hub. Now that your portfolio is created, it is time to add your investments. You can easily search for stocks, mutual funds, or even cryptocurrencies using their unique ticker symbols. Once found, enter the number of shares or units you own. Crucially, input the exact price you paid for each asset and the date you acquired it. This detailed information ensures accurate tracking of your investment performance over time. With your holdings added, the Yahoo Finance app becomes a powerful tool for monitoring. You can instantly see your real-time gains or losses, along with the total value of your entire portfolio. Dive deeper to analyze individual asset performance, reviewing historical data and price movements. The app allows you to customize your view, offering various metrics and interactive charts to help you understand your investments better. Beyond basic tracking, the Yahoo Finance app offers several advanced features. You can set up personalized alerts to notify you of significant price movements or important news related to your holdings. Compare your portfolio's performance against key market benchmarks like the S&P 500. Also, use watch lists to monitor potential investments, helping you make informed decisions before committing your capital.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.